Welcome to class 6 physics classes. Today we will know about non-standard unit and need for a standard unit. So first let's talk about non-standard units of measurement. Now, dear students, if I ask you to measure the length of your living room, then you will take out a ruler or a measuring tape to measure the length of the room. But suppose that these tools are not available, then you will think something other idea. You may use your foot length to measure the length of the room or outstretched palm, and one of you may use arm length or cubit length to measure it. But these are not fixed length because as the person changes, so the measurement taken also changes. Similarly, yard is a distance from the tip of your nose to the stretched thumb of your sideways stretched arm. So there are lots of non-standard units. These non-standard units are just to give some approx idea about a measurement. But cases are there where measurement should be accurate. So we need to use standard units of measurement there, like example constructing a table, selling or buying gold, etc. Non-standard units are not accepted in general, but standard units are accepted. Therefore, my students, one should have sound knowledge of standard units. There are three systems of measurement for measuring fundamental physical quantities: length, mass, time. They are FPS, CGS, MKS and SI. In FPS, F stands for foot, P stands for pound and S stands for second. And in CGS, C stands for centimeter, G stands for gram, S stands for second. Similarly, MK system, M stands for meter, K stands for kilogram, S stands for second. Okay. SI units is International System of Units. We can say it is a form of MKS. Okay. CGS and MKS system of measurements are known as metric systems. So today we will try to know standard units of length. In SI unit, meter is taken as fundamental unit of length. Then what is meter? It is the length between two fine marks on a metal bar made of platinum iridium alloy. Now this alloy is a mixture of two or more different elements in a ratio. Like here, platinum and iridium elements are used to make this alloy, and with this alloy this bar is made. This bar is maintained at constant temperature. Since the temperature affects length, therefore it is kept at fixed temperature. It is kept in Paris. Or meter can be defined as 1 meter is 1/10 millionth of the distance from the equator to the North Pole. Now multiples of meter and submultiples of meter. Okay, multiples of meter are kilometer, hectometer, decameter. Submultiples of meter are decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Now let's see the values of each. Here you see 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter, 1 hectometer is equals to 100 meter and 1 decameter is equals to 10 meter. And submultiples of meter are 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter and 1 meter is equals to 1000 millimeter. So multiples of meter are above the meter and submultiples of meter are below the meter. So we studied about units of measure, common lengths and distances. Now let's see unit to measure large distance, like distance from or distance between stars and earth, or distance between any heavenly bodies. So this type of large distance is measured in terms of light year. Okay, so how much is 1 light year then? 1 light year is equal to distance covered by light in 1 year. it is equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer. 1 light year is equals to 9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometer. Very large distance. Now, for extremely small distance, what unit of measurement we use? Like diameter of molecules or an atom. Okay, atom is a very small particle of a matter. This is an image as an atom. So measure this small distance, we use units like micrometer and angstrom. 1 micrometer is equals to 10 to the power minus 6 meter, and 1 micrometer is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter. Similarly, 1 angstrom, the smallest distance we can measure, is equals to 10 to the power minus 10 meter, and in terms of millimeter, it is 10 to the power minus 7 millimeter. Now if you see this one here, the power minus 6, it means a distance. When you divide 1 meter into 10 lakh equal divisions. Similarly, you see 10 to the power minus 3 millimeter means a distance when you divide 1 millimeter into 1000 parts, and this distance is called as micrometer. Again you see 10 to the power minus 10 meter means 1 meter divided into 10,000 lakh equal divisions, which is a distance known as 1 angstrom. Similarly, you can imagine a distance which is 10 to the power minus 7 meter means 1 millimeter is divided into 1 crore equal divisions. These are extremely small distances, and we have to remember these relations, angstrom and micrometer with meters. Okay, the relation between meter and these small units. Now this letter is a Greek letter, it is read as mu, and it represents micro. Now here is a meter scale, it has 100 equal divisions. Each division is equal to 1 centimeter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. If you see in your geometry box, you will see a centimeter scale. Yes or no? Now inch and foot. Inch and foot are also used to measure length. Foot is a base unit in FPS system, and the symbol of foot is FT. Inch is a unit of length in American standard of measurement. 12 inch is equals to 1 foot, symbol is IN. So my dear students, this much for today. In another video class we will see more about measurements. Thank you.